Thank you, Tim. More people now speaking up about their experiences with a prominent Jacksonville entrepreneur. At least 50 people have now filed police reports with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office about Janay White and her businesses. We're on your side tonight with a closer look at what this case could look like. Riley Phillips joins us live now from Jacksonville with more about this. Riley?
Yes, I spoke with an expert today who says a fraud case like this will be difficult to prove, and it takes a lot of concrete evidence to show that money is missing.
Tevius Robinson is an entrepreneur herself and was looking for new business opportunities when she learned about Janay White's real estate mentorship program.
So we were supposed to acquire the property and flip it, rehab it, and sell it, and then split the profits.
She ended up investing $10,000 through the program, but she says there were problems with the home and she doesn't know where the money went for the renovations.
I'm at a loss. I actually just did a consultation with the bankruptcy attorney. This is going to have detrimental, long-lasting effects.
Robinson is one of dozens of people who have filed police reports about their experiences with White's businesses. But crime and safety expert Mark Bachman says investigators will have their work cut out for them when it comes to building a fraud case.
It's difficult because you've got to make sure you have the acts that fall under that particular violation that you're looking at charging the individual with, and make sure that it's not a civil violation.
Bachman says investigators will have to look through financial documents, bank records, and trace where the money was going. Then it's up to the state attorney's office to determine if the case would hold up in court.
If it's so complicated that the prosecutor may have a hard time understanding what's being pursued by the investigators, they have to in turn convince a jury of that if it ever goes to a trial. So you really have to put some sweat equity into it, or some energy into it, investigative power into it, to get to that point and ramp up to charging the individual.
When we spoke with White last week, she denied these claims against her. Robinson is now waiting to see what happens next with investigators. While she does not believe she will get her money back, she does hope someone is held accountable.
While I understand that there is a certain amount of risk when you go into these type of transactions, the way that it was presented to us is that the risk was minimal. And so that's what allowed me to feel comfortable investing with someone that I had never met.
And Bachman added this process is going to take a while, going through all the documentation and speaking with witnesses. So we really might not get an update from investigators right away. If you do believe you are a victim of a crime, you can file a police report with JSO. Live in Jacksonville, Riley Phillips, First Coast News, on your side.